try to hang up the phone. What's up with this nigga?
Man, what's up?
Oh, excuse me. You're not supposed to be pointing a firearm at us. You're not supposed to be pointing a firearm. And
I already told you, put your hand right here, dude.
Bro, don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. Why are you touching me?
The thing on the side, dummy.
What's up, man? Don't touch me,
On
man.
the damn door, dummy.
Man, what's up,
You don't
man?
even fucking know how to control the fucking car, dumbass.
Dude, are you gonna open the door now?
For what?
Unlock the damn door, dummy.
Let him unlock the door.
By
Let
the
him
damn
unlock the door.
handle,
Let him unlock the door.
dumbass.
So that way it's safer. Let him unlock the
Idiot.
door. Show them
All
that
you
you're
gotta
trying
say
to...
is unlock the fucking door, dumbass.
Oh,
Dumbass.
excuse me. Excuse me. What's the reason that we get pulled over?
The fuck? I'll be on none of that dumbass shit, bro. I'll be on that shit, bro.
Excuse me.
The fuck?
Excuse me.
Go grab my phone, hang up my shit. I'm on the fucking phone.
Excuse me.
Speaker. Hell wrong, you nigga, don't grab me. I ain't do shit wrong. Fuck you grabbing me for? Boy, you lucky you a police. Boy, I do it to your ass, boy, for real.
Hey, stop reaching, bro.
For real.
Man, I ain't reaching for nothing, bro.
Stop fucking
I ain't reaching for nothing,
Stop
bro.
fucking
I'm
reaching.
putting on my shoes.
Stop
I'm putting on my
fucking
shoes. I'm putting on my 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 shoes. I'm putting on my
Stay in
shoes.
the car.
Why you pointing that gun at me?
Stay in the
Why you pointing that
car.
gun at me? Why you pointing that gun at me? Why you pointing that gun at me? Why you pointing that gun at me? Why you pointing the gun at me? Why you pointing the gun at me? Why you pointing the gun at me? I ain't reaching. Why you pointing the gun at me? 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 Why you pointing the gun at me, man? What's up? What's the problem? Why you pulling us over?
Pull us over for no
What's up?
fucking reason, nigga.
Why you pulling us over?
Watch you come after us.
Why you pulling us over?
You was right there, just standing right there.
Why you pulling
And
us
then when we
over?
passed, you just want to come behind us for what?
Nigga just
For what?
pulled out.
For
Fuck
what?
with you.
And why you pulling us over?
Nigga.
Ain't no guns in here. Ain't no guns in here. Ain't no guns in here.
I let you know.
Ain't no guns in here.
For real.
Ain't no guns in here. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm curious.
Yeah, for real. He just came out of nowhere for what?
Not being quiet.
We was just going to the house right there.
Listen, we were cool, right?
Ain't shit
We
cool.
All right, you
Ain't
call the
shit cool.
police.
Ain't shit cool.
Bro, I don't know. You just pointed a gun at me
I did.
for no reason, and you know I'm not armed. I'm not armed, and they said for your safety, you detain a whole whip, and you sit on the outside of this car, and you check the
I
car.
tried to, but you didn't
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, you didn't, and it's on camera. You did not try to detain the whole car.
You did it. You did it.
You upped your firearm, and you know it was not right.
Yeah. If you want to have a conversation, we'll have it after.
No, bro, because you know you wrong, bro, and you know you're not supposed to be talking to nobody on the back of the seat. You only supposed to be talking to the driver.
Okay.
Your concern is with the driver, not the back seat.
Yeah, because back seats don't shoot, right?
Well,
Okay.
we don't have no
I
firearm.
don't know you like that, right?
We don't have no firearm.
I don't care.
That's why you
It
take us
doesn't
out
matter.
the car and you check. You gotta have an
Hey,
understanding.
don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You gotta,
Don't touch
wait,
me.
you
Don't
gotta
touch
ask.
me.
I said
Yo, don't touch me.
Bro, step
Yo, don't
out,
touch
bruh.
me, bro.
Bro, step
For
out.
what? For what? For what?
Hey,
For
get in the
what?
car.
For
Get
what?
in the fucking car.
For what? Oh, yo, get off me, yo. Get off me, yo. Get off me, yo. Get off me, yo. For what? For what? For what? Get off me, man.
Okay. Okay.
I want your bag.
You be
Yo,
the
get
most
off me,
extra.
yo. Get off me, yo. Get off me, yo. Get off me. Get off me. What's wrong with you? Get off me.
Stay in the car
Yo,
now.
don't
No,
touch
now
me.
you stay in the fucking
Don't
car.
touch me, yo. Don't touch me, yo.
What happens? You get out the
Don't
car.
touch me, yo. Don't touch me, yo. Don't touch me, yo.
Here, listen,
Get your,
bro.
don't touch me, bro.
Okay, I don't have mine out.
Get off me, yo.
It's him.
It's him.
It's gonna be okay. We got more people coming.
He's violating protocol.
Yes.
Fuck off me, bro.
But let's do it the right way. Let's do it the right way. Okay?
Whatever's on your conscience,
Stay
bro.
there.
Because you know your firearm is not supposed to be out like that.
Exactly.
He doesn't know what's in the back seat.
Come on,
Okay?
bro.
Miss, it's not even that.
Bruh.
I'm on the phone.
Listen, I can't
I'm on
talk
the
to all of you at
phone.
once.
Miss, what happened is, he on the phone, I'm on the phone with my people. This man gonna come and grab me out the car. I stopped the car and everything, had my hands out the window. He gonna go grab me out the car because I'm on the phone. Because I'm on the
I
phone.
got it. We'll talk about all of this in a minute. Just let's bring it
I
down.
ain't gonna lie,
Let's
man.
bring
I
it way
want this
down.
badge number, but I don't care. I'm gonna
Let's
take this
bring it-
pussy ass nigga to court.
bring it
I swear
way
to
down.
God. And when I
Let's
see
bring
him,
it
I
way
swear to
down.
God, bro. When I see him off for duty, all right.
Way down.
All right.
Way down.
All right. ass cracker, bro. You're a pussy.
Way down. Way down. That was your car.
Somebody hit
Hit
it.
us.
We got a police report on. I don't even know what that's at right now.
Mercedes. Family habits.
You a hating ass nigga. Hating. You was a hating ass nigga. You see somebody in a better car than your puss ass, you want to stop a nigga.
I just want to go home.
Miss, alright, let me explain this to you. I just pulled out the yard.
Why are you yelling at me? I'm not yelling.
Alright, I'm sorry. I just pulled out the yard.
Where you stay at?
Right in here, right in these apartments. I just came from picking him up from his house, literally right on that street. I'm coming from that start sign this way. He coming this way. When his time's already on.
He waited right there.
Wait until we pass by him, did a whole U-turn.
Okay, we'll figure out why that in a minute.
But no, I already understand why he did all that.
Why?
And then that Camaro that was just here, he even pulled him. He even
I
stopped
know it
him.
was a better understanding of you coming to approach the car. You tapped the gun on the car and all that.
I didn't tap the gun on the car.
Bro, I heard the gun tap.
That's my hand, bro. I was telling you to roll down the windows.
He did, but we was
He
doing
rolled
it.
the front, and he was too busy on the phone instead of
What
rolling
you
the back
mean?
window.
But they rolled down slow. You want to see it for
They were not.
yourself? No, do you want to see it for
Just step
yourself?
back. Just step back.
There's no reason to fucking pull me. I ain't do nothing wrong. I ain't drive fast. I stop at every stop sign. There's no reason to fucking pull me. I watch this dumbass nigga come around. Do what he can. He a clean ass cracker, bro.
Nigga done took my sock off,
Nobody
boy.
like the police, bro. That's why nobody like y'all.
I like the police.
I don't care what you like, bro.
Come on,
I don't
now.
like him. I like you, but I don't like this
Okay,
nigga.
we'll get to the
This
bottom.
nigga's like him. Think he got power.
Police stop a vehicle and immediately draw a firearm on the rear passenger, despite there being no clear threat or visible weapon. The people inside repeatedly ask why they're being pulled over, but the officer never gives a clear explanation. While the passenger is simply putting on his shoes and talking on the phone, he gets grabbed, pulled out of the car and pinned against it. Legally, officers are only allowed to draw their weapon when they have a reasonable belief that someone is armed or poses an immediate danger. They can also ask passengers to step out of the vehicle, but only during a lawful traffic stop. Here there's no sign of dangerous behaviour, no weapon, and no valid reason for the stop was given at the start. The gun pointing, the physical force, and the lack of proper procedure all suggest excessive force and an abuse of authority. This is a clear example of a traffic stop handled with poor training, poor communication, and zero transparency. What do you think was the officer doing his job, or did he cross the line? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy real case breakdowns like this, make sure to like and subscribe for more police analysis videos.
Yeah.
We have to clear the residence.
No.
Well, you can take it to court.
Well, I'm pretty
So you guys.
I'm not a resident of this house.
You're not a resident?
No,
You
sir.
could go home.
And I will be that very.
Okay, you can keep going. If you want to leave, you can leave then. Okay?
Just go ahead. Just go ahead and go, dude. It's alright. I got
Make
this.
sure you record it. It's great. And by the way, I can smell the odor of burnt marijuana emanating from the residence. I've worked drug task force for 6 years, and I know what that smells like. And you have a history of also distributing marijuana. Did you get that on recording? Thank you.
I got it all on recording.
Yeah, I'm recording too, so we're double covered.
But your reasoning is because you came to serve me a warrant, or not even a warrant, just the court papers, civil papers, and now you're saying that you smell an odor of marijuana. So you guys are coming in.
I smell an odor. I'm telling you, I smell an odor of burnt marijuana coming from this residence.
And I told you that you didn't. Then you asked if you could come in. I said no. Have a nice day.
Right.
And now you guys are telling me to get out of my house because you guys want to search my house. That is illegal. That is harassment. And when you guys don't find anything in my house,
You keep digging in your pocket, but make me a little nervous.
it's just a pack of cigarettes. That's all I got. Then I got another lighter and some change. All right, let's go, guys. I mean, you guys aren't going to let me in my house to record. Like, if you guys are planning anything in my house, you guys are just coming in my house telling me you guys are getting a search warrant, but you guys should be shutting my door and then getting your search warrant before you guys are still even in the house. There's nobody else in the house.
I can't take your word for it. We gotta make sure. What's your name?
My name is Keon Thomas.
Cam Thomas?
Keon Thomas.
Keon Thomas. Okay. And you own this place, or are you renting it, or what?
I'm renting this place. So you just checked, right?
We're just checking to see how many people are here. Checking the rooms, make sure nobody else, and then we're gonna go outside. We're gonna stand outside. They're gonna go get a warrant, and then they'll come back and execute the warrant. Nobody can come into the house unless it's escorted by police or whoever's doing the warrant. That's the person they'll decide. Is Michaela at work? Is Michaela at work?
No, she's having surgery right now.
Is she? Well, sometimes clear one more.
What's going on, man?
Nothing.
This deputy smelled the odor of marijuana coming out of your house. I'm going to secure it for a search warrant.
If that's legal.
It is legal.
All
right, well, I mean-
He's arguing it, which is fine.
Yeah.
I can also smell it when I open
Okay.
the door.
All right, well, clear the warrant.
Officers arrive at a man's home simply to serve court papers, but immediately claim they smell burnt marijuana coming from inside the house. When the homeowner refuses to let them in, the officers step inside anyway, order him out of his own home, and begin checking every room before stating they will secure the residence for a search warrant. Under the Fourth Amendment, police cannot enter a home without a warrant unless the homeowner consents or there is a true emergency, and neither condition applies here. The claim of smelling marijuana is not enough to justify entering and searching a home without a warrant. If officers want to secure the scene, that means staying outside, not walking through the house and searching rooms as they did. Throughout the encounter, the homeowner stays calm, records everything, and repeatedly asks for the legal basis, which he has every right to do. This is a textbook example of officers misusing the excuse of odor of marijuana to violate someone's privacy and overstep Fourth Amendment protections. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a comment and tell me whether you think the officers followed the law or crossed the line, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real-world legal analysis.